Hello, Stain, Lowen, today, Irvin. Hello. This is what's it called? A sheet pan. This is a sheet pan, which I'm gonna do pizza in. Look, there's a dough. Has a huge bubble on it. Oh my god. Look at that thing. This back again. Alright, so I put the plastic off, and rest in peace, that bubble died. Alright, another dough. This one's bigger. Wow. And get rid of that dough. Just get the plastic off first, actually. Yeah. And then get out of here. No. Get that away. Come on, idiots. Yeah, there you go. Get the olive oil. Yes, extra virgin even. In the pan. Ecological. Wow. Too much olive oil, probably. Squish it around with your fingers. And, jump cuts to a squished picture, yes. So, this size roughly, and it's going to be a round pizza this time, a lot of oil in my hand. Switch the pans out, yes, dry, and then, boom, not dry, and also not dry. Splished out, even nice, so get the oil off your hands, it's gross. Now, I don't know why I did the fingers. The sheet pans, very good. Get the dough. Flip it on his head and just shake violently until it falls out. And then it's not falling out. What the hell? Just shake more. Shake. And then, oh! Look at that. Look, get out of the way. Look at these like ponds of oil on the what was the bottom side. And then just grab it, stretch it. Grab not on the edge, but a little bit in, so you don't ruin the crust. The crust is good. Pizza crust, very good. If you don't eat pizza crust, you're a goddamn pussy. There's a hole in the dough. Patch it, idiot. Yeah, stretch it out. Get it roundish. Who really cares? It's just a pizza. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. The hole opened back up. Get it. Fix it, idiot. No, don't point at that. I don't care about that. There, hole, yes. The other part is very thin there. I stretch some of the thicker parts out to concentrate matter where it's thin. I don't know. And then, whoa! Switch out the pans. Wow! And then flip it upside. Oh, this is fast now. I forgot about that. It's not coming out. Shake. Oh, it's very off the center. That doesn't matter. It's all oiled up anyway. Stretch out. Get it thinnish. Don't ruin the crust. The crust is so good. Stretch it out, get it nice and round-ish. Stretch. It's very wobbly. Put it back towards the middle of the cutting board. Very nice. I don't know why I have it on a cutting board, but whatever. It's a circle, yes. Circle twice. Don't know what I'm doing here, to be honest. All the audio broke, so I have to do this all in post, whatever. So that I'm just sitting in my room now. Get rid of that. What am I doing now? Tomatoes. Usually I make a bolognese and just put that on top of pizza. But these round, like thin-ish, more Italian-ish pizzas, I'm trying something new today. So I got petty tomatoes. Usually I buy mutti, but they weren't available. There's a fly just flying past there. You see that? All right. So olive oil into the tomatoes. And then I get stuff. I get some spices. I get almat. This is just salt and MSG powder, really. Pop. Get some of that in. Get it out of here. And then I get... What do I get? Garlic powder. Yes. Garlic powder into the thing. Just pop. There's a lot of garlic powder. I don't know how much. I don't measure. And then I get pepper. Grind. And then I speed up the footage so I grind even more. I like pepper a lot. It's good, very good. I can see there's 400 grams of tomatoes. Very nice. There's a piece of dough or something on the bottom screen, whatever. Oregano into the thing. Pop. Fine. Done. I don't know. What am I saying? Thyme, I think. Yeah? Very good. What do I do now? I get a spoon and I stir. Yeah, I stir. I stir some more. And I turn the thing at the same time as I stir it to double stir. I don't know. I got a nice watch, you see. I've had that for like 15, 16... No, what am I saying? 12 years now. I should have edited this video better. This is terrible. Alright, this is stirred. I'm gonna taste it. Soon. There we go. Taste? Yes, it tastes. But I think it's too mild. So I run off. I look. I'm gone, putting away the spoon, and I go away again. I come back instantly. Tomato paste, mutti tomato paste. Put some in. I put tomato paste away, and I come back instantly. I'm very speedy. And I get, what do I have? I have mozzarella. I have pepperoni. I have parmesan. I have meatballs. More salt into the thing because it tasted a bit mild. I think I also pepper it. Let's see. Do I pepper it? That's Tabasco. I like Tabasco in all my tomato sauces. Tabasco, very good. Vinegary, peppery. Yes. I'm stirring. Wow. I've stirred a lot already. Taste. Better. But not quite good enough yet. I put in more salt and pepper, but I don't do it on camera because it takes a lot of time to video. This is already like 15 minutes long. Long enough. Pour some tomato on the dough. Spread it out with spoon. Easy. Not a lot. That's not enough tomato sauce. Get some more in. Yeah. Alright, spreading it out nice and even-ish. This looks terrible, to be honest. I'm speeding it up. Okay, cool. Fast speeding. Just spread it out all the good you can on the pizza dough. Spread out, spread. This is pretty good. So switching out the pans. I got more tomato sauce on a different dough. Yes, spreading it out nice. Just spread it. I could have cut away half of this, I think. I had too much sauce. I put some away. Spread. Very good. And then I think, am I done soon? Come on. I saw my foot walk north of the video. I don't know. Where am I? What am I doing? This is taking too long. Come back here. Yeah, there I am. There we go. Come back. There I am. Look. Alright, Parmesan. I grate some of that on top of the sauce before the other cheese. And I cut that away. Cool. Here's an onion. Homegrown. I'm putting that on the top of the pizza. I like onion toppings. Cutting away the ends, cutting in half, and then I peel away the outermost layer because the outermost layer is always broken and ugly. And drop it! I need to get it back, and there I have it back. Get the outer peel off. Just away with it. Easy. Other half. Yes, very nice. Get the outer thing off. Yes, collect all that. It's useless rubbish, really. Get rid of that. Throw it in the compost. Compost all your greens when you're done using them. Whatever, I don't know. I could have probably cut away the part where I'm at the thing, tossing it away. Then I pick away some of the nasty stuff that was on it. I don't know what it is really. Quarters, I think that's technically, yeah. And then I fiddle with the thing for too long because I'm stupid. I slice them into slices. Falls over. Oh, god damn it. Turn it back up. Hold both sides. Easy. Right. Get the other half. Quarter now. Slice. And I took off a little bit of my nail. I think you barely see it. Yeah, I can see it. Sliced away. And then distribute on the pizza. I've already put cheese and pepperoni on the pizza. I forgot to add that to the video. Some of my files were corrupted. Half my audio was gone. I'm doing the best I can here with what I have. Actually, not the best I can. I could probably have done a lot better. But hey, onion on. I'm taking a very long time to spread all this onion. I'm just trying to do a good job for you, okay? Onion. Oh, look at that pizza! Look, well, one of the pepperonis was torn in half. That was weird. Anywho, other pizza. I've already grated some Parmesan on that. You can see it barely. I was about to put onions on and realized cheese. This is mozzarella string cheese. I think it's technically the full fat, low moisture kind of thing. Tastes good, melt good, all nice. I took too long there to figure out where those two other sticks of cheese were. I'm retarded. So I get them out of the casing. I could have probably cut away all of that. I get them out of the plastic, which plastic is terrible, but it's also nice. It's not good for you. It's not good for anyone, but it's very handy. Get all the cheese out of the portions. I could have cut away all of that. Goddamn, this is terrible. Just get it out. A bunch of trash there now. Get rid of that. You forgot a piece, idiot. Yeah. Put that in the trash. Trash is a long way away, apparently. Come back. Idiot. There you are. Alright, slice. And we line them up, and then we slice. Very good. And that's the only edit. Why did I remembered to cut that in half, but not the unpacking of the cheese. Anyway. I jump cut that too. Look, now there's a bunch of cheese on the pizza. So then I can do the onion. Yeah. Now we're talking. Get the onion out. There's a tiny piece in the whole of the... Oh, there's another piece on the meatballs. Meatballs! These are from Pepe's Pizzeria. Pepe's Pizza. They're a local chain of pizza, like Domino's, I guess. Yeah, you can buy these in the store. I tore the packaging. Idiot. I like these meatballs on pizza. Very nice. They're fairly cheap as well, I think. Put the pizza... put the meatballs on the pizza. You should get that other piece of onion, idiot. I think I'll get it soon, I hope. Just spread the meatballs around. It doesn't have to be all fancy, just fairly evenly per square inch. I don't know. I got that new knife at a place recently. It's very nice. I like that it doesn't have a hilt like all the way down to the edge of the blade at the heel, I guess it's called. I'm throwing away the packaging for the meatballs now. I really could have cut away that. And look, now here I am. Look at that. Look at these pizzas. They look very nice. I had my phone on that. I'm recording with my phone. Onion back on the pizza. Easy. Now... Pizza. Oh, fast, very fast. Put the pizza in the oven. 300 degrees Celsius. And now I'm gonna make the dressing. I like the garlic dressing on the pizza. I have a food processor thing, a very small, easy thing. I get some garlic, my mom's homegrown garlic. Huge head of garlic right there. Look at that. Not head. One boat. I don't know. I peel off the skins. I don't bother with any fancy things. I just cut off a part of each end and then just tear it off. Have a little bit of nail on your fingers. It works wonders. Putting in dried parsley and the salt and MSG compound in the food processor on the top of the screen. I walked off to the fridge. I won't return for multiple years. I am old now. Right, mayo. I got the mayo in there. That's gonna go in the food processor. I have... what's the next thing I pick up? More mayo. Right, yes, very important. I do half and half of mayo and sour cream. That's Worcestershire... just a splash. Mustard? Some. Sour cream? I tried to pour it in. Didn't work. Spoon? Hell yeah. There we go. Much better. Spoon... I knock it on the edge a few times. Throw it in the sink. That's what I put in. Cayenne pepper for Chef John. Lemon. A little bit of lemon always makes nice, I think. Some olive oil for some reason. I don't know. That was a really awful burp I just had. And now, lid on, and then the immersion blender thing on top of that. Plug it in the wall first, of course, and then you just go for a while to make all the garlic pieces very small and incorporate everything into everything else. Very nice. I'm tilting it just to try and make sure everything gets mixed up nice, and get a spoon. I spoon in mouth. Tastes good. Very good. I give thumbs up. That's the official Low-Stain seal of approval. Blade out. Get it away. Now, where am I? What am I doing? I'm at the sink. This is taking a very long time. Here I am. Thumbs up again. Now, pizza done. Look. First pizza. Very nice. Very nice. Look at those meatballs. Look at that cheese. Surprisingly white. That sounds terrible. It's looking very nice. And to check out the bottom, it's darkish. The very edge has some leopard spots, I think they're called, maybe. It's very good. I like. And now, other pizza in oven. And I have dressing there. And then very nice pizza. Let it rest for a sec. That's a very thick pizza peel. One of my siblings made probably. It's not really a pizza peel. Doesn't work that way. But it's very nice. Put a pizza on, hold it, handle. Very good. Both pizzas done now. Other one got a little bit darker. As you can see, let it go for a little bit too much in the oven. But both look very good. Very nice. Thank you. Bye-bye.